I'll give you the worksheet. Let me read out. Scan your whole life and identify the specific aspects of your mamakara which leaves you with a conflicting experience about yourself. That is, identify areas of your life where you feel powerless or experience conflict with yourself because of the thoughts and words you carry about yourself within you. Example, you want to be successful in your life, but you are not able to achieve success. If you look in, you will see deep within you, maybe believing that you are a failure again and again. In your inner space, you are thinking and uttering the words that you are a failure and you cannot be successful. Understand, whenever you feel powerless or experience conflict in your life, there is surely some inauthenticity in that aspect of your life. Look deeply within and identify the inauthenticity in those conflicting aspects of you that you carry inside you. Identify the words you utter about yourself, to yourself, which are not according to the peak of your capacity. That is what you think of as your peak capacity, and what others think as your peak capacity. Third, identify the words you utter to yourself about yourself which you did not honor and fulfill. Fourth and fifth you will do later, but I will read out now. Now restore integrity and authenticity in those aspects of your life. Sit and complete with yourself. Do swapurnatva with the mirror. Now with integrity and authenticity, give a new word to yourself, about yourself. Give a new commitment to yourself which is aligned with the peak of your capacity. That is what you think of you. Think of as your peak capacity and what others think as your peak capacity, and declare that you will now do anything and everything to honor and fulfill it. Come on. Pen down. After your homework, I'll try to answer your questions. Let's move next to the Kriya. Kriya to awaken the non-mechanical parts of your brain to restore integrity and authenticity to your mamakara. Okay? Come on. First, move to Bhishrikasana. Now we are showing the Bhishrikasana. Please move to Bhishrikasana. The next step is in the same posture. Inhale through the right nostril with the sound hum, and exhale through the left with the sound sum, like hum, sum, hum, sum. With hum inhale, with sum exhale. Again with hum inhale and sum exhale. Inhaling only through right, exhaling only through left. Visualize the sound comes and touches your heart and goes out. Ready? Close your eyes and start this Hamsa mantra. Relax. The next step is Murcha Pranayama. Listen. Place the palms on your knees and close your eyes. Inhale deeply through both the nostrils and put your chin on the chest and lock the throat. Hold the breath as long as you can. Judiciously exhale slowly through both the nostrils. Do this continuously. Inhale with both nostrils. Put your chin on the chest by locking the throat. Hold as long as you can. Then slowly exhale as slowly as possible. Do this. Start. Relax. You can open your eyes.